children, let's learn some colors name. Yellow, brown, orange. Which color is this? Gray. This is gray. Blue, purple, black. I have these colors. Blue, purple, pink, brown, red, green, yellow, purple again. This is dark purple. Let's write the alphabet. I'll be using green and purple. The first letter of alphabet is A. We are going to start from here and this one slanting line, one more slanting line. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. I'm going to use purple now. O. P. After P is letter Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. We'll read again. A. A for apple. B. B for bat. C. C for cow. D. D for duck. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for hen. I. I for ink pot. J. J for joker. Hey. Hey for kangaroo. L. L for lamp. M. M for moon. N. N for nest. O. O for octopus. P for pigeon. U for quill. R for rat. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.